Want the absolute best settings for your Aula Win60 HE keyboard? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to connect the software, update your firmware, and unlock the ultimate rapid trigger settings for games like Valorant and CS2. Let's dive in. First, click the software link in the description below. If you have the standard Win60 HE, click the first option. If you have the Max version, click the second. Change the language to English in the corner. Click Allow Browser Access. Select your keyboard and hit Connect. Quick warning: if this is your first time connecting, it will ask for a firmware update. Let it finish completely before touching the keyboard. Once you're in the interface, it's time to optimize. The best part about this software is that any changes you make are automatically saved directly to the keyboard. Let's set up your rapid trigger. Go to the Actuation tab. Select the specific keys you want rapid trigger on, like W, A, S, D, and Shift. Check the box to enable rapid trigger, and check Separate Press Release Sensitivity. For the absolute fastest response in competitive games, set your key trigger level to 0.3 millimeters. Then, set both your press trigger and release trigger levels to 0.05 millimeters. I've tested these exact settings, and they work perfectly. Next, check your polling rate. If you have a good gaming rig, set this to 8K for maximum speed. But if you have a potato PC, you might want to lower it to 2K to save CPU usage. Now, let's enable SOCD for perfect counter-strafing. Click Create, press A for key 1 and D for key 2, then hit Apply. Finally, for lighting, you can select whatever fits your style. I personally use the wave effect. You can create different profiles for specific games, but I prefer to keep these settings saved to my default profile. And that's it. Your keyboard is fully optimized. If this software guide helped you out, please drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.